Come walk through the Swiss Family Treehouse with me, or as I like to call it, Stairs the Ride. We're here at the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida, walking through one of the unique attractions here. It's really just like a big tree. This attraction right here was an opening day attraction for the Magic Kingdom in 1971. There are other versions of this elsewhere. There's one at Disneyland in California that was rethemed to Tarzan's Treehouse in 1999 and is currently in the process of being rethemed back. Hong Kong Disneyland also has a Tarzan's Treehouse. And you'll find a Swiss Family Treehouse very similar to this one right here at Disneyland Tokyo and Disneyland Paris. This attraction is based on a movie, which is based on a novel that was originally published in 1812. Then Disney came out with the Swiss Family Robinson movie in 1960, and shortly thereafter it was converted to an attraction originally at Disneyland. The tree of the treehouse has an official name. It's called Disneyodendron Eximus, which is Latin for out of the ordinary Disney tree. And now you're a little smarter. This thing has 330,000 handmade fake leaves. There are 116 total steps, and you will walk up 5 stories and back down the same. Let's talk about pros. This attraction offers really amazing views of Adventureland. It's a good place to go to burn off some of the wiggles for your littles. It also is a pretty good spot to maybe walk off that corn dog. It usually doesn't have a wait, and you can typically take your time walking through, which is not the case for most Disney attractions. What are the cons? Well, it's Stairs the Ride. You're walking up 5 stories and then walking back down, and that's kind of the entirety of the ride. You're also going to be staring at lots of backs of heads and butts. Personally, I really love this attraction, and the main reason is because, to me, it's the perfect example of the creative genius of Disney Imagineering. It is so detailed. It's like a perfect adaptation of the treehouse from the film. And it's built in such a way that you can blow through the entire attraction in just a few minutes, or if you want to spend some time really looking at all of the different scenes that they've created, I almost always find something new to see every time I go. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this walkthrough of Swiss Family Treehouse. If you enjoyed this video, it would be awesome if you would strike that like. Thanks so much.
Pirates of the Caribbean. 20 minutes. You want this?